Hey friends, so what we have for you today is a White Stallion that you may or may not have seen on our feed a few days ago. Well, this 2014 Ferrari 458 Italia came in for a few reasons. The customer wanted to enhance performance by modifying the original exhaust. I mean, just check out that sound real quick. It's beautiful. Then the customer wanted to lower the vehicle to improve the aerodynamics, but we all really know why they did it. It's for that right look and the right vibe. And it looks really cool. And lastly, the vehicle needed a tire change and regular maintenance. It's always a pleasure working with these powerhouses, but also really great eye candy. And these are the kind of views I need in my life. So don't be selfish, bring in your car. See you next time, guys. Stay tuned for our next video and stay tuned to see what we'll be working on next. Bye.